Hi, I'm Dr. Dhamara Vijayalakshmi, and the initial program we will first need to basically understand why we need to study about the brain design. This is a very important topic, and today a much neglected topic too. So my entire work is on how to establish mental health, how to make people happy, how to make people accept them for the way they are, and how to make people understand who they are. We all know that we are not perfect, but we all know that we are unique, and that no two people have the same brain functioning, because we all are designed differently. We are a product of our genes, and hence we are all unique, though not perfect. And that's what makes you prove to yourself that you are a wonderful human being, and it is normal to have emotions. We have emotions which are traumatic, we have emotions which are pleasant and unpleasant. But if we focus on how we can make all our emotions more harmonious, more peaceful, more loving, more giving, I'm sure that this world will be a better place to live in. Can you do this? Because this is the simplest technique to be happy and to be mentally healthy. But most of us forget that this simple smile, which can change and transform your life, is sometimes the most difficult thing to do. This whole program is about how you can do this on your own. For this, to understand how to make ourselves happy, to understand how to be mentally healthy, we need to know how we are wired. Because most of the time we are wired differently, but our expectations are something else. And so we are very unhappy with life because we don't understand who we are. But we can make ourselves happier if we just know who we are and how we are wired. Now, I ask you a simple question. Do we need to rewire our brain to be happy? Yes, because it is only when we understand who we are and learn how to connect the dots and how to rewire it, how to reprogram our brain, we are all destined to be happy. But we are unhappy only because of expectations. We have something called a heart and we have something called the brain. The physical aspect of it. We also have the soul and the mind, which are something that cannot be seen but can be felt. Now, our whole life is full of misery, have phases of happiness and unhappiness only because we either connect to our soul or we connect to our mind. If we know the difference between the two, and if we understand that our brain is designed differently, life would be different. I have written a book on the brain design, which is the psychology of your fingerprints. It's available on the Kindle app on Amazon.in. It's also available the whole world over on different Amazon sites. You could read the book or you can go through this program in an easy step-by-step manner.